this is just going to be a look at video in regards to this product. I just purchased this on bestbuy.com and it was for about $14. So in looking on Amazon, just the 2 clippers alone and maybe this device here, you probably pay around $10. So I think this is a pretty good deal for now. I don't know how long they're gonna have the sale for. It's September 10th, 2022. Let's open it up. Again, this is just going to be a look at because I find that the pictures just do not do justice for this item. So I thought I'd do sort of like a unboxing and then a look at the product. So I guess it's more like an unboxing. But I'll bring up the product close to the camera so you can get a detailed look. A letter. And each piece of equipment you get. A little case, nice case. Kind of maybe plasticky, rubbery, soft, plasticky, plastic. And let's open it up. How do you open it? Oh, you push in to open. There's everything. Cool. Nail clippers, cuticles, everything you need. I don't know what any of these things are. Everything's on here, and this will be at the end if you want to know what everything is. I guess this is the scraping tool. No, this is not. This has that little hook. No. I think this is supposed to be the nail file. I don't see another one that looks like this. That both ends. This is the only rounded end. So this got a round end here, and I can't see any of them with a round end except this one. So I could be wrong, but anyway, this is it right here. Up close, tiny. It's a file. There's a file here, so you can file your nails on both sides. I don't know anything about these things, so let's put this one back. These are the nail clippers. Again, just to look at. I'm not going to clip my nails on video, sorry. Black, small. That's it for this one. Let's put it back. Let's look at the next nail clipper. This is the one with the straight end, straight head here. Small, nice looking. Okay, so we finished up with this one. Let's put this one back. These are the tiny scissors. Kind of curved. multi-purpose scissors. I think it's supposed to, it looks like it says got hair, and I think cut hair in places you don't want it. Anyway, scissors right there. Pretty cool. So let's put them back. No idea what this is. Looks like it has a tiny shovel or wedge or edge at the end. Don't know what this is at all. It says, let me see here, cuticle stick. I think this is supposed to be, I think this is it right here. Doesn't have a hole at the end, but I don't know. This doesn't match up exactly. So finished up with this one. Let's put it back and let's pick up the next one, which is, ooh, got a point. There's a little plastic end there. So I'm going to use a napkin for the background so you can get a better view. And this is called, let me see if I find it here on the needle and loop blackhead remover. I probably will never use this. Okay. I've taken still pictures of these, so if you want to get a little bit, you want to see pictures of the items, so you can see them at the end. This is called, this should be a, I think this is a cuticle thing. This is called the V-shape push stick. This one there, I believe. All right, let's look at the next one. This is called, if I find it, I have no idea. Do I see anything like that? Okay, maybe it's this. Okay. Scraping tool. This one there. Right? Looks like it. We're done with this one. Let's put this one back. And let's pick up the next one. And guess what? I think I was wrong. I think this looks like the scraping tool. So I don't know what this is at all, this one. The one I just showed you. Because this looks more like the scraping tool. Yep, it has the same end there and the same end there. So I don't know. Oh, it must be the one on the bottom, this one. Sorry about that. The last one was the ear pick. Excess wax from your ears? Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I would not stick this metal device telling me this is an ear pick. Yeah, I wouldn't stick this in my ear at all. That is just asking for trouble. That is so dangerous. You're not even supposed to put Q-tips in there. No, don't do that. Okay, so that's an ear pick, the last one we saw, but don't use it for that, that's for sure. This is the scraping tool. This looks like it, as you can see. And the other end. Tweezers. Standard tweezers in black. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. So that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I'm going to leave the plastic things off of it because when I use it, I don't want to have the issue of taking it off. I'll put it in here just in case. And this is my arsenal. They call it the ultimate grooming tool. For 12 bucks, it's not bad. The link is below. Again, just to look at. Pretty nice case. I like that so that I can store everything nicely. I hoped you liked the video. I hoped it helped. Thank you for watching.